The power of maintenance metrics. Metrics are akin to the essential resources in your facility. Without the appropriate infrastructure, be it machinery, personnel, delivery vehicles, or other essentials, they remain untapped. To truly leverage the potential of data in your operations, it's crucial to establish a robust system replete with the necessary tools, methodologies, and experts. By methodically building a sturdy base, your team will be poised to unlock the full potential of maintenance metrics and elevate their performance to unprecedented levels.